Hello everyone. So I think you all are install your AutoCAD in your PC or laptop and some people from your mobile. So today we start with the very basic of the AutoCAD. So once you install your AutoCAD in your PC or laptop, then you get one shortcut on your screen. Otherwise you go through start menu here, and here one toolbar is there. You click on this, you get your AutoCAD window or you start your window. So once you click on this, you appear this window here. So once you appear this window in front of you, you should know what are the interfaces or what are the toolbars here, and what are the names of these different locations. For that we have one picture. From this we can easily grasp what are the names of particular bars. So very first we just start from this point. This red symbol is there, that is A, that is application button. Then this topmost one ribbon is there, or the toolbar is there, that is quick access toolbar. At that top, that is the title bar, and on the screen there is one symbol that is called view cube, and here this is called the ribbon. Then at this point, this is the file tabs, then start tab is there, then in canvas control is here, and this space is called drawing area, and this X and Y symbol, that is users coordinate system, and sometimes it is called UCS, and this one is the navigation bar. And here one command line is there. Whenever we enter any command, that will be located here. Then this is the status bar, and this is the workspace switching menu. So here whenever we open this AutoCAD, we should know the different windows here. So once we have to learn the AutoCAD by the scientific way, or to use the application of different engineering works. Like in civil there is a surveying work, sometime the building construction, building design, building drawing, and sometime layouts are there. In that case this AutoCAD is a very essential, and in mechanical engineering also that AutoCAD is essential. And it is not a fact that only you have to draw anything or anyway, but it is the software where you can work scientifically and with proper knowledge of coordinate system and everything. So for that we should learn this AutoCAD by very scientific way. Then and then we can grasp the total idea about this software. So before starting this one, we should know the each and every symbol which is located here. Okay, so just we start one thing from this symbol. So if I click on this symbol, I get this different toolbars or commands. Okay, here new, open, save, save as, export, print, publish, send. Okay, and here some recent drawings are there. Okay, open files are there. So you have to just click on each and every toolbar which is available on your software. Okay, so here this is the ribbon, and this is this topmost one bar is there, and here we required one another toolbar, that is the menu bar. So for this you have to click on this arrow, you get this ribbon or menu bar, and here you click on show menu bar. So click on this one. Once you click on this one, you get again one menu bar here, and you have to look at this menu bar also. Okay, so what is the menu bar and what is that? Whenever you visited any hotel or restaurant, one card is there, and that is you call that card is a menu card. Okay, so what are the menu available in that particular restaurant, that is given on that menu card. So same way here these menus are there, menu bar is there, and with help of this what are available in this software, we just study of this one. So if we don't know about which things is keep at where, we can not easily operate the software. Just like we know that the trading shops are there. In trading shops there are number of materials available in that shop, but they categorize in some rows or in some drawers, and they give name on that drawers, so that they can easily find that particular material, particular trades. So like that this software is also there. So which thing is inserted in which compartment, that is here. Okay, so we should know the menu bar very properly. So just you click on this file, so you get new sheet, open sheet, load, mark, import, attach, save as, e-transmit, publish, web, export, page setup manager, plotter manager, plot style manager, plot preview, plot publish. So and here the what are recently working drawings that you have closed, they are listed here. Okay, so second thing, edit. In edit you just here you get undo, zoom, cut, copy with base point, copy link, paste as block, paste to origin coordinate, paste coordinate, clear, select all. So in view, so redraw, region all, zoom, pan, street wheels, show motions, orbit, camera, walk, fly, air views, clean screen, viewports, name view, 3D views, create camera, show animation object, hide, visual style, render, motion, display, toolbars. In insert, drawing references, DWG. So in format, layer, layer status, layer tool, color, line type, line list, text style, dimension style, table style, multi-ladder style, plot style, point style, multi-line style, units, thickness, drawing, limit. In tools, workspace, pattern, toolbars, there are again sub toolbars are there in front of this arrow. Okay, so number of things are available here. Okay, in if you go at the draw, then you get the line, ray, custom. So whatever given in this ribbon, that is also available in this toolbar or in menu. So you should know all these things. Okay, whenever you get the time, you observe it carefully. Okay, then dimension, if you have to give the dimension to any line, circle or anything, arc, all these dimension you can give from this menu or this all this using these toolbars. We'll discuss that at that particular time. Whenever we require those things, we discuss that one, or we can use each and every command or each and every toolbar of this software whenever we require. So this is the modify, whatever we require, properties, match properties, etc., erase, copy, mirrors, all these things. This parametric, here these are the given, windows, close all, lock locations. In help, nature, features. In express, this text, dimension, etc. Okay, so here this is about this menu bar. If you don't have this one, you show menu bar option is there, and if you don't require this one, you can hide this one also. Okay, so but we can operate here, show menu bar. Then this is the ribbon. Okay, in home page or in home category, there are this is the ribbon and different shortcuts are there. Okay, I click on this line, I get this line, and how to create this line. Okay, all these things are displayed here. We have to just put our cursor at that particular point. Okay, suppose I locate this cursor at this point, 3-point arc, then how to draw this arc, everything is given here. Okay, so in insert ribbon there is again different option, in innovation again different option, in parametric again different options, in here this views, this is particularly used in a 3D work. This manage is also there, then output and express tools. Okay, so everything is here, and this is used when you have to do speedy work. Okay, so and this is the window where there is a communication of person to software. Okay, so suppose I select any command, suppose the line, so I talk with software, give me line, the line I type here line and enter, then he asks me specify first point, then I click on this point, then he again look at here, he specify, he asks us specify the next point, so this will be second point, and if again I require the third point, then here he asks for the next point, so I get here escape. Okay, so this is very important to know the this window and the command. Okay, then to operate the AutoCAD we should know our positions or details of our mouse. Okay, so here this is the figure for the mouse. Here this is the left click side. Whenever I call the left click, you have to click this portion. Okay, so left click to move the cursor, select an object. Okay, then right click is there whenever we have to do any operations. Sometime we click the right click. So this is this side is a right side, and whenever we click on this one, that will be the right side. And there is a one central wheel is there, and we scroll it up and down, and this wheel is particularly scrolling for the zoom in and zoom out. So this three part very important, so you have to remember this one. So here to start our AutoCAD or drawing, you have to first select, means here we start with the 2D, and without operating 2D we can't start the 3D. So here in this there at the lowest point there is a workspace switching option is there. Okay, you click just on this, and you choose this one, 2D drafting and animation. If it is not there, then you choose this one. Okay, and after this, at the lower point you get this snap bar. Okay, and this is very important. Whenever you start your working, you have to remember all these things on or off. Okay, so here again, suppose you have to scroll your window, or you have to zoom this one, then you click on this one and you can just move your cursor in a such a way. So and if I just scroll at the wheel, then you get zoom in and zoom out, and whenever I have to select anything here, then I click on just on this one. Okay, and my object is select. Okay, and suppose I want to unselect it, then I just press escape button from the keyboard, so it get escape. And suppose I want to do anything at that time, any window, completing my window or command, in that case you have to do the enter. Okay, so this enter and escape play very important role whenever you start the AutoCAD. So in the next lecture or demo, we'll start how to set the units and the scales, and how to draw the different things. Thank you.